Okay, now I'm running on the Buangkok Flyover. Now it's running towards the old Tampines Road. Seems to get to raining again, so I need to get it down before anything happens. Just now saw a cyclist is cycling over here. I'm not sure, is he going the same road? Yeah. The cyclist is just in front of me, so most likely there will be a route from here to the old Tampines Road. Looks like it's very promising. So yeah, this will be the update for now. Hopefully we'll run towards this expressway. As you can see over here, the pavement is well. Just to check the GoPro is still recording, because it died on me a few times today. I think it was auto shut down. Not sure what happened. Maybe because of the battery. Okay, we're hitting near now, but we lost the cyclist. Now yeah, I get this Buangkok Flyover. Okay, I can see the cyclist just in front of me. So we turn on the right, we'll go up to the KPE, ECP. Just now I see some cyclists on the opposite lane, so I assume that there's another route that they can go. Oops. Scared of water now. Oops. The water is getting in the shoes. Okay, good and nice. We have this nice pavement running down from the PCN, pass over this Buangkok Flyover. Now in front of me is this old Tampines Road. Nice and make. So on the right we'll see all the logistic company industrial park. I think it's called the Windmill Drive or something. So further down you will see this Hougang, which is the part where we came from, the Fulin. So on the right we'll go towards the Fulin. Okay, now we have this old Japanese road. Quite good. See you guys later. Now it's running up slope on the old Japanese road. Running towards this big building. I'll take a photo of this building, which is called the GoPro Hero. Don't know what's the building for, but when the sun shines, the golden stripe on the surface of the building will give out a very bright golden color, which is very nice against the grey background, which is the main color of the building. Okay, this is running along this Tampines road again. As you can see, there's no joggers on this pavement, and most of the cyclists will actually cycle on the road, probably because the pavement is too rough for them. But I feel some of the workers, cyclists, is using this pavement. So if you guys want to cycle it, you can do it here too. For me, I like to jogging around this route because it's very few people, very much less crowded than the Hougang PCN leading towards the Red Bridge. So over here, I think you can also jog to this Red Bridge. What you have to do is just to go straight down, and then further down there's some semi-con industrial park. You can turn left, and straight down you will see this giant IKEA in front of you, and at the junction there you can turn left and you can proceed straight to the Red Bridge. But of course this will be a longer route compared to this Hougang PCN, where you can have a straight road of no traffic junction, and probably just a bit crowded. I think for today, because it's a rainy day, you might not have yeah, you see the cyclist there? So that's where the cyclists will cycle on the road on the one single lane. Not sure how does the people feel coming behind this bus stop. the rain is getting bigger now. I got to hurry up, otherwise we need the umbrella again. Well, now you will see this after the junction. You will see this roti prata shop, which is a small canteen, but it only sells Indian food and roti prata. It used to be at this canteen at this Hoya, but now it's shifted over to here. You can see the banner there. So like restaurant, beer garden. You got the run.